Hi guys, today is not a normal video as you can expect today. If you read the title, you already know what's going on. I'm going to show you, everyone who's watching right now, how I do set up a video really. So I click Google. I have Google. Come on, this takes always a while. I always click this little one. This is a bit weird. This looks like a box. Click that. Click X. And I click this. And I have to move the camera for sure. And this is what it says right here. If you want to make your own, I can't help you with that because my cousin, I'm going to actually call him. Hey, yeah, can you? Let me a sec. I'm going to be right back. Why? Why can you not make a video how you can make your own YouTube channel? Why? Just why? So yeah, okay, bye. Okay, that went normal. Well, you click this button and record. Normally, this is not that set, but there's three to side. Both is right now like on. Wait a moment. And this is a webcam. And nothing now. Can you see me? I can see myself, but I can. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I feel like you saw me the whole time. Okay, so I click this next. I have to type Roblox. I don't know why. It pops up. What? Okay, that never happens. Okay. So the first thing. Then I want to see on my phone what video should I do, because I have this. I want to check the comments. Come on. You know what I'm going to do this one? I'm telling you. Look, this is what popped up first thing. Look, it says Natalia kills. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. I don't care. Okay, Natalia. Okay, let's see the views, the comments I mean, and see what I'm going to play. Anyway. Videos. Let's see. Oh, they want to see me do some more. If you want to, I did like off camera. I played this. If you like there's actually an upgrade on Treasure Hunt. If you want to see, if you play Treasure Hunt, it's not much a surprise. But there's a new upgrade. Look, you get a pet. Oh look. Wait, where is it? Look, pets upgrade. Over 20 pets to choose from. So yeah, I really want. So I'm going to play this for the video. Not too long, not too. No. Wait, what? Did I not have it opened? What's going on? Because I never have to do this. Play. Okay, I thought my Roblox thing is always open. Come on! I am. Blah blah blah. There! Finally! Now, finally! I'm going to not do this. How much Roblox do I have? Okay, this is not one. Okay, this is just this one. I'm going to see you in a sec. See you in a sec, guys. I got it. And off camera, I actually did a lot of changes. Where's my duck? I had a duck. Okay. Now I fell down. Next time I'm going to just say, this person did dig. I'm going, that was a big hole. I wasn't expecting, really. Wow, it's nighttime. Oh, I was like, never really started. There, no, we can fly. I was like, I'm flying. I don't believe I'm flying. Because you can't fly in this game. Normally you can in other games, but nope, not in this one. Yeah. Come on, come on. My stuff looks very weird. I mean, over here looks a bit. I mean, over here. Yeah, over here looks a bit weird, right? I can't move, but I can try moving the camera. Wait, what? I just dug right next to them. How did I not see that? Okay. Okay. I feel like I need to go back to the surface. Oh, treasure chest. It doesn't look like there's a chest at all here. Oh, really? I just want to dig up now. There's a box. I think that's a chest. Okay, I'm going to right back to the surface. There's normally chests at the top. If I had enough Robux, I could go out by myself island. I don't know if any of my friends are playing right now, so no. How do I leave now? Wow. Only wow. Wait, can I try? Wait, can I walk with this? Oh, maybe just where's my camera? Guys, I feel like I'm stuck this way forever right now. Really, I can't move. I can only move there. Wait. I feel like I'm going to stay like this forever. Really forever. I need someone to free me. Please, someone. I feel like I can't. Yes, I can end the video. Not here, cause I can't. I feel like this is going to be just a video where I just do this. I just want to delete the spot right now. Come on. Why did this happen to me? Wait. I want to walk there again. I'm stuck. Oh. What just happened? I'm very confused. I'm going to delete the hack, because I don't want that to happen to me again. And see you in a sec again, because this is going to take another while. So bye. See you in a sec. Or should I end it? Bye. This was my video, and if you haven't, put a thumbs up if you like the video. If you forgot to subscribe or you haven't, subscribe now. It's going to be so much fun. So yeah, bye! And everyone else in my school who watches my videos, I finally done this, so you are happy now. If you're not, I'm going to be very surprised. I'm going to tell every person who watches tomorrow in school. Bye!